3M VHB Tape provides the ability to dream, design, and deliver with improved production efficiency by bonding and sealing at the same time. Mechanical fasteners require liquid sealants to protect your designs from the elements. 3M VHB Tape seals out the environment in ways that traditional bonding methods can't. 3M VHB Tape is a closed-cell solid acrylic foam adhesive, so it protects designs from even the harshest environments. And because of the acrylic and viscoelastic nature of the product, it's proven to stay flexible over the long haul, enduring years of service without a leak. The viscoelasticity also allows the product to maintain a seal when joined parts expand and contract at different rates due to their unique material properties. 3M VHB Tape flexes and stretches to maintain a strong bond with both substrates. 3M VHB Tape is both a pressure-sensitive adhesive and a closed-cell foam, allowing it to bond and seal in one step, eliminating the need for liquid sealants. For applications like industrial enclosures and electronics, this can help increase throughput and simplify assembly. 3M VHB Tape seals out the environment, allowing the freedom to dream, design, deliver winning solutions.